Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you up to today, Tākaro Tribe?
We're recycling Parakai, food scraps. We put them into the Pāmu Noke, worm farm. The worms eat the food scraps. And then we have compost to feed the plants.
That's great work, Tākaro Tribe.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Tui wants to tell you about something he has seen. Will you visit me, Tākaro Tribe?
Of course, Pāpā Rākau.
Good. But remember to see Kōkā first.
Ka pai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Today we're going to talk to Tui. Pāpā Rākau says he has a message for us. Is Tui okay?
I'm sure he is. When you're in the ngahere, keep an eye out for the Parakai, food scraps.
We will, Kōkā.
Just a minute, Pāpā Rākau's calling you.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Tui has been flying round the ngahere and he spotted a problem. Will you help Tui out?
Of course we will help Tui. Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said we should watch out for Parakai, food scraps.
Did you know Parakai, food scraps, can be used in many different ways?
How?
Let's take a look. Parakai, food scraps, have loads of nutrition, so can be fed to kararehe like Heoi and puaka. And a worm farm breaks down the Parakai, food scraps, and turns them into kai for plants.
That's That's what we do, Pāpā Rākau.
Ooh! Whoa!
Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe!
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
Ah, you can collect pepper, paper.
Aye.
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye.
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mākuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
Pooh, follow Tui into the ngahere. Tui will take you all to where the problem is.
Ka pai! All aboard, Tākaro Tribe! We're off!
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere. Forest.
Yay! I can see the sports field. That's where Tui is taking us.
Hold tight, we're going down. Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish.
I've got some glass. I found an ipu kiriho, plastic container.
That's not the right bag.
Yay! Got it right this time. This is what Tui wants us to see. What do you want us to do to help, Tui?
Wait! Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Huh? A, re, a, ke, a, e. Para, kai. Parakai.
Parakai. Food scraps is the word of the day.
But how does it help us help Tui?
I think Tui has an idea. He's showing you the grass clippings.
Kai is spilling onto the ground. That will make wairako, compost, to feed the trees.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You've cleaned away all the parakai and the trees are being nourished.
Yay! Now it's time to go home. Goodbye, Tui. I'm sure you're happy again. Tui is singing, and we should sing too.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
We helped tui and recycled Parakai.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Parakai. 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 Parakai.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. Tui asked for your help. He led you to a sports field where Parakai had spilled out of a rubbish bin. You combined it with grass clippings. This made Wao Arapū, compost, you used to feed trees. And you learned a new word. P-A-R-A-K-A-I. Parakai. Parakai. That's an excellent day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga. Takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia